Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So in this video, as you can see from the title, we are going to discuss about the increase of number of seats by Delhi University this year. But there is some problem related to that, and whether these seats are increased for all categories or not, that also you have to see. So watch the video till last, don't skip it in between, and if you have not subscribed to Kingdom of Learning yet, do it fast. And one more thing, if you people are facing any problem in filling your counseling forms or anything, you can send a screenshot of your forms on my Instagram, that is Kingdom of Learning only, and then my team will check it out. So this much support we are providing you, so we expect in return that you will share our videos with maximum number of people, and you will follow Kingdom of Learning on Instagram also. So now let us see what is the news of today. Means we have to see this thing that this year actually DU has increased the number of seats for undergraduate courses in their 51 colleges and institutes. Means the number of seats for undergraduate courses, which was last year 66,000, this year it will be 70,000. Means 4,000 seats have been increased. And why these seats have been increased? They have been increased due to the inclusion of the economic weaker section, that is EWS category. Means last year only, in 2019, the government had ordered all the colleges affiliated to Delhi University that they should add their seats and they should include EWS category students also in their colleges. So now means the reservation has been done for them. So as a result, number of seats has increased. But the problem with this is that many colleges are waiting for funds from the government, because they are saying that they have to meet their infrastructure requirements, and some colleges are waiting that they will receive some more faculty members from the government, then only they can start these various undergraduate courses. And in some cases, some institutions are saying that they have extra building ready, but they need extra funds to start these undergraduate courses. Means all the colleges have different problems related to this. Means they are saying that if the number of seats will increase in each class, means that number of increase will be like in each class there will be more than 15 to 20 students, then how will they manage the seats? Apart from that, they are really worried about this thing, that how will they create common rooms separately for girls and boys if the number of students will increase. So many problems are there. So now we have to see what will happen, how government will manage all these things. But for students, this is really a good news, especially for EWS category students, that if you were not able to get admission in any of the colleges which you wanted, but now you will be able to get admission in your favorite colleges, and that is really a good news for you. In this way you can continue with your higher studies, and you need not worry about the expenses of your college and all these things. So you should study with zeal and complete sincerity. So now we can see that some colleges have even started hiring faculty members for these courses, and in some cases some institutions have started building some extra rooms in their colleges also, but still they are waiting for the funds from the government. Now means the government has ordered the colleges about this thing, but the government has to provide the facilities also, that is the thing. So this is enough for today's video, and I think I have provided you complete information. So still, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do it fast, and yes, like the video, because every day we are providing you complete information also, and share this video with others also.